Okay, we got a '05 Freightliner Columbia. Here's what happened. The customer, he calls himself hooking up a starter. He didn't unhook the batteries, and he hooked up the wrong wire to the starter. And when he hit the key, he arced the system, something terrible. So we don't know what's wrong with it. It won't start up with the key. So we don't have all day. We don't have the time or energy to put in tracing down the electrical problems. So here's a quick fix. This is the solenoid to the starter. Remind you like of an old Lincoln back in the day. We're gonna put a push to start on here to bypass the ignition.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So that we don't have to waste any time to get this truck back on the road within an hour.
Yep,
so I'm gonna show y'all how to do this quick fix. If you fry the starter wires, you still can start your truck with this particular truck, the Columbia. We're gonna hook it up here. So show y'all how to do it, get this truck back started. It'll be a push to start. So stay tuned. Okay, so we got the wire snaked in. Just find your point of entry from outside to inside of the tractor. So we got the wires in. We're gonna get the switch wired in. Hand me the switch. We're gonna get these stripped. This is the switch we're using. A Dorman 20 amp universal. Push button starter switch. Okay, let's get it hooked up. Okay, so we're gonna add a inline fuse. So we're gonna add it to the positive line. So we're gonna cut this, splice this in with some butt connectors. Yep, It's 14 gauge wire. Y'all see my strippers? You know what these is. Braid that up. Okay, get your butt connector, slip it on, put that in. might need to get some. I'm gonna go get some real crimpers so you get a better grip in there. Okay, so you're gonna need a test light so you can see which is hot on the solenoid. So you see that one? It's not hot, see, it's not lighting up. But you go here, see, it's lighting up. So you're gonna run your positive to here, your negative to here. Negative, positive. Okay, let's get it wired up. See, we got our end crimped on. Take a little heat, shrink that down. Okay, get your torch. Just heat it up gentle. Let it shrink down. All you gotta do. Waterproof seal. That's it. Okay, so we're gonna mount the switch into the panel. So got my drill with a Milwaukee step bit so we can drill through this. Okay, just drill through. I'm gonna clean it up, expand the hole. That's all you gotta do. Then you can put the switch in. Okay, we got it installed. Like I said, drill the hole. Just push it in, screw it in through. And just tighten it down. Okay, now we're gonna get him wired up back here. Get him installed. We good to go. Clean, neat, professional job. Okay, so we inside. Snake the wires. Got them in from outside in the cockpit. We snaking them through here. We're gonna mount that panel here for the new push to start. So that's where we're going with it. Okay, so I went and got some of these. Okay, so I went and got some of these so I can attach them to the ends of these wires so I can hook them up to the solenoid. So that's what we got to do. Okay, slip that on, then just crimp it. Okay, good crimp on it. Okay, good crimp. And then you do the same to this one. Then we're gonna get them hooked up. Okay, so we got all the ends crimped on, as you can see. Now we're just gonna get these installed here on the solenoid. That's what we gotta do. Get them on that solenoid. Okay, so we're gonna go and get that off. See, I'll take it off by hand so you ain't got that ratchet hitting. You know what I'm saying? Get that on, people. Get that washer off. See? Black because this side is not live. Gonna run black as negative. Okay. Okay, see that on? Get that lead on. Gonna get this one off, get that positive lead on. Let's see, we got our inline fuse, so don't arc, hurt nothing. Okay, you can see we hooked up, people. Here and here. Okay, now we're gonna go hook up the interior switch and get going. Okay, so we're gonna hook up the switch. Got these eyelids here, as you can see, to hook up the switch to here. So we're gonna get it in there and get it wired in. Okay, got them slid on. As you know, just crimp them. So how you do? Don't let them touch, because they live. And that's all you gotta do. So I'm gonna go and crimp them, so I can put this camera down. Okay, they are crimped. We're gonna install them to the switch. Take these screws out. Like so. We're gonna hook up the switch. Put the screw in. That's all we're gonna do. Hook it up. So let me set the camera down and hook them up. Okay. Hooked in. Put it up here. See how it's clean and flush. Screw it down. And that's how you push the start in a tractor. If the solenoid go out on the starter, or you didn't fry the electrical components, you don't got all day, go to your local Ace, Murray's, AutoZone, quick repair. All right, try it. All right. The button works.